Good evening, everyone. I'm Bob Evans.
And I'm Kelly Chapman. We begin with new developments on COVID-19 in Utah. Governor Spencer Cox has just signed a bill that lifts the statewide mask mandate effective April 10th.
It lifts other health restrictions as well as certain benchmarks are met. Fox 13's Ben Winslow is live on Utah's Capitol Hill this evening with the latest. Ben.
Well, as vaccines open up to everyone in the state beginning today, Governor Cox has just signed the bill that was dubbed the COVID-19 endgame. One of the biggest things that it does is it lifts the statewide mask mandate. Now, the chairman of the Salt Lake County Council tells me he's planning a vote on whether they should issue a new one.
This is our shot.
Salt Lake County Mayor Jenny Wilson is urging people not to wait to get their COVID-19 vaccine appointment. Across the state, appointments are opening.
The appointments are filling quickly, and we encourage individuals to take advantage of those open opportunities.
While it's welcome news, health officials are asking people to make an appointment and keep it. Vaccine shopping, where people want a closer appointment or a certain brand, are double booking and leaving others out.
That's 600 individuals that could have been vaccinated that day that weren't able to. That's the problem that it creates.
Meanwhile, Mayor Wilson is urging residents to keep wearing face masks until health experts say to remove them and we reach vaccine herd immunity.
While there's light at the end of the tunnel, we need the community's help.
The Utah State Legislature passed the bill nicknamed the COVID-19 endgame that lifts health restrictions when certain metrics are met. It also drops the statewide mask mandate on April 10th. Asked if she'll seek a new mask mandate, Mayor Wilson says,
TBD. We're going to wait and see.
We don't want to see people die, and we don't want to see, we need to protect vulnerable people.
The chairman of the Salt Lake County Council tells Fox 13 he's going to call a special meeting the day before the mask mandate would be dropped to review the latest data.
If the benchmarks are met, then it's a moot point for the council, and there'll be no masks anymore. However, if one of the three or two of the three aren't, or none of them are, then it would be up to the Salt Lake County Council for Salt Lake County to determine.
Again, the governor signed the COVID-19 endgame bill into law a short time ago. It will lift the statewide mask mandate on April 10th. However, local governments can seek to issue new mask mandates if they want under this law. It also does not prohibit private businesses from requiring masks. Live on the Hill, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.
Ben, before we let you go, the psychology of announcing and signing this endgame bill into law, the psychology going into that, are they not afraid that Utahns are going to go, oh, good, the whole thing is over, take their masks off, and then all of a sudden we see another surge in the disease? Is that a concern at all?
Well, it's certainly been top of mind up here, and you have competing interests. You have a faction that has said, look, cases are declining, vaccines are going up, these are all great things that are happening, and it is time to start lifting some of these restrictions. We have to get out of this. However, there are others here on Capitol Hill who've said, we didn't legislate our way into this pandemic. Why should we legislate our way out of it? The governor had to balance those interests. He was personally involved in the negotiations over this bill. These are some of the agreements they made. Even the governor has said he wasn't a fan of this bill, but this is the deal that he struck with the legislature. And he is hoping that people will continue to wear masks as vaccines continue to roll out, because it is going to be some time before we reach that herd immunity.
At Fox 13's Ben Winslow, live on Utah's Capitol Hill. Thank you.